No.
Exactly. This is more not as track focused as the Scuderia, but it's much more powerful.
Yeah. 670 horsepower.
Yeah, turbo, twin turbo. Okay, can I start?
Yeah, now push the brake and that button for start the engine.
Sounds nice.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, windows is there, exactly. Air conditioning on. And this one is on?
No.
Perfect. Okay, yeah, you can hold it as long as you want. We have it in wet, okay. And I just click plus.
Yeah, in the back this is indicator also for left
Exactly,
and for
left and
right.
right.
One for on, the same for switch off.
And now first gear is here.
Yeah,
Auto.
when you have the first gear like this, you can push the gas and the car is
Exactly, and handbrake?
is automatic.
Ah, it's automatic.
Ha detto Caro da aspettare un attimo.
Okay. We have to stop there a little bit because we are waiting the photographer. Stop here.
Okay. And to put in neutral, you...
This and that one. both
same time.
Yeah.
Yeah, now. Nice. Nice response. But it's still in wet also, I mean...
Yeah, if you do it
Yeah,
in a
race
mode,
is-
it's a little bit the same.
Yeah, yes. And we can have it in sport, or we start in wet?
No, we have to start in wet and we use it every time. No, vado di là io. Sei a posto. Every time we use in wet to make the test drive because we have the full traction control, the control of stability and all the other controls. We have to do it like we have to use it like this.
Okay. So,
Just when we ride on the track, we can use the sport mode
Okay.
or the race mode.
because wet is... it's not limited in power, it's just all the traction
No,
control. on. Okay.
all the traction controller is on, the control of stability is on, everything is on. In the sport mode and the race
then in
mode,
sport you have a little drift.
yeah, and also the gearbox is a little bit more
Exactly.
faster.
And then when you push it to CT off, you have stability control or traction control off.
Yeah, like this,
Yeah.
traction control off,
Yeah.
and this one,
Everything
is
off, yeah. Then it's
You
on.
and the car.
Yeah, exactly. The other side. Okay.
That's okay.
Should we go?
We can go, yeah. Put the first. We stop there and we turn to the right.
Exactly. And down with the window maybe?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, like this, to neutral.
Okay, straight there and we turn to the right.
Yes.
Watch in the back.
And the turn signals, they don't...
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Small.
Yeah, it's not so loud. Make the kid happy. Yeah, it's a nice feeling driving a 488 in Maranello. It's like you're doing it the proper way.
To the left.
It's still so hard getting used to these arrows, not having a lever.
Careful because right now we are in Maranello city. When we
Yeah.
go out we have all the space.
Exactly. Like the steering response, even like when driving this slow, is really direct. So what's your favorite Ferrari?
The 430 Scuderia.
Oh really?
Yeah.
The one I've driven? Really? Yeah, it's so small and light.
Stop here and we turn to the left.
And what do you think about the 599 GTO?
The 599 GTO is a completely different car because it's a V12 front engine.
Yeah.
Have a lot of power, but completely different than a car like this.
Quite
the engine
big.
is in the back, yeah. The gearbox is completely different.
Yeah, this is double clutch.
Yeah.
That's exactly it is.
That one is beautiful because it's like the Scuderia. You have a kick,
Exactly, when it slams. Yeah, here is
and the people
importance.
like it when it's like this.
Yes.
Now we turn to the right.
Yeah. The downshift, I love it.
Yeah, it's beautiful. That's a pretty good sound. Go straight ahead.
Yeah, it's like, and it's still in wet mode. It's like, I guess the gas response is not the fastest when you have it in wet mode.
Okay, right now we have to close because we still.
Yep.